Okay, Mike, hopefully you can hear me, buddy. Sorry it took me so long to make this video. First off, what you're looking at is a compression machine. This was actually at the show. It's just a demo. But what you're looking for is the exact same thing, except you will not have the compression pad up here. You would just have the seal bar. So basically you're just going to load your product in and just seal the bag. Now all this would be horizontal or gravity, as you see. You'll just be able to drop it in, which is not a big deal. But I'm not sure how much product you're running, but I got a feeling that I have a better product for you for this application. But I'm just going to seal a bag because the problem with this machine is it's not big enough for your product. First of all, my mounts aren't high enough to move this compression pad up any more than it already is, and yeah, so I'm just going to seal a bag, and I'm going to kind of show you once you seal the bag what it's going to look like, and after that we'll kind of go from there, and I'm going to take a couple more videos of some other equipment. So thanks a lot. Alright, Mike, so if you can visualize this, basically, let's say your operator gets it off your, which I'm guessing your flattener, if you can see me. But obviously, again, bagging wise, you're going to have a bagger. And it's going to be a big one, like a really big one. And they'd be able to shove your product in and then either, just drop it in here like this. And you're going to have a foot pedal like this here, and be able to seal your bag off every time. Control your dwell and your heat right here, and as you see, come up with a flat seal if you can see that. And this is all customizable, but that's pretty much what you're going to be looking at right there. Flat seal all the way through. That's the goal. But this product's really not hard. I've been building these sealers for, I don't know, since I was born. But again, you're going to have a bagger up here. And this can be gravity, as I call it, pointing towards the ground, or it can be horizontal. Now, you're going to have some other custom stuff, but it's, at the end of the day, it's just a sealer. And it's going to seal the bag off over and over and over again and really speed up your operation. But it's kind of what I want to show you, and I'm going to make a couple more little videos and I'll shoot it to you. Thanks a lot.
Okay, so this is a BP8000. This is more so what I think you need, in my opinion. Basically what it's going to do is going to wrap film around your product, seal it, and then it's going to come through a heat tunnel, as you see, and shrink wrap it. Much more professional presentation, if you ask me, but with the product you're running and the weight that you're dealing with, I think this is going to be a better option for you, and it's honestly pretty close to the same price. So as you see right here, he didn't have the heat tunnel hot enough, so it didn't shrink wrap it. Now this is about to change over, and he's going to throw it through there, and you see that it will work, but he was just heating it up at the time. So he's just going to, this one's already sealed, he's going to put it in the heat tunnel and let it go through. But I think, actually I know, this machine, the weight capacity is up to 60 pounds. So this would actually go in line with what you're doing, and it could go behind the flattener. So once it gets through the flattener, it goes straight through this, it's sealed off, and go through the heat tunnel and come out like this. So as you see, it shrink wraps that film around the product, and much better, as you see. So that's pretty much what you would be looking at, obviously on a larger scale, but that's it. Thanks a lot.